Hi guys, I'm showing my squishies. But I'm not showing all because I removed some stuff. I removed 6 of them. Okay, now I'm gonna show my squishies. Look, they're not too many because I removed 6 of them. What do you want me to show first? Maybe I can show first my rare rainbow butter. See, you can see the butter. I'm gonna show my cheese, the foam cheese. Next, the cheese, another cheese. Wait, now I'm gonna show the bread. This is satisfying. I have 2 satisfying squishies. This one, diba, we're gonna upload in YouTube. We're gonna upload this in YouTube. That's why they can see my squishies. This is the bread. Also the bunny. I love it. It's a bread bunny. I love the texture and it smells like popcorn. And a cute squishy. And this a bite croissant. And a coffee smelled squishy. It's a foam dumpling because it's fake. This squishy dumpling again. Then a rainbow dumpling type. I'm gonna show more. Wait, pause. I have all white. Oh wait. I have all white dumplings. I love them. If you want some, then like and subscribe. Then if you want one, then like and subscribe and comment what you want because they're color changing. There's some orange. There's some green and there's some purple. What you want? I can give you one. And then I hold it and then I say I say bye and then done na yung video. Wait. Uy, nahulog. Asan na? Bye!